starts with that look. This is KTTC
Well, it's standardized testing season for Rochester Public Schools as third graders are beginning to take their
You gonna watch it snow?
tests.
Those poor students. Before Falwell's test, a teacher shared a touching note with her students to let them know the test isn't...
Gonna watch that snowstorm come through?
She told her third graders that the test did not define them and don't know what makes them special and unique. Fix was inspired to write the letter because she sees how her students become so anxious and worried right before the big MCA test. So Fix and her students read and they discuss the letter before the test yesterday, and she made a note on how special the kids are to her.
Is that good?
Really emphasize to them is that this door is truly
Is that good?
me, and when they come in through that door and they'll give me hugs and tell me about their
And watch
day,
it
that's
snow.
my favorite part. So it's just that's
Oh, I'm on your way.
Get 2,000 extra for your trade-in during our open trade assistance sale. That's right, 2,000 more for your trade. And my guarantee...
You looking at the snow outside? The storm is over. Now you can see all the snow outside.